Alright, it's Barry, and today I was planning on recording my video for Things to Grow in December. Come over to the allotments and there was quite a few people here, which is a bit strange considering it's nearly winter. You don't really see that many people here now. And it turns out that someone's broken in overnight and been on a bit of a smashing spree, which is absolutely fantastic. So, got a bit of damage. Doesn't look like anything's been stolen. I don't think anyone's had anything stolen, which is lucky, really. Yeah, it looks like they've just broken in here to come and smash some stuff up for whatever reason. Maybe they're a bit thick. Just going to have a look around, see what damage there is, and, you know, see what I can do to fix it, because I don't know how I'm going to do that. So let's have a look around, see what's been damaged, and I'll try and get that video up for the weekend. Probably going to be today and tomorrow trying to fix all this, so might not have time. But yeah, I'll try and get that video done for the weekend and get that uploaded, and yeah, I suppose we'll see how I get on. So the first thing I noticed when I come over is that they've put through the top window on my greenhouse and they've cracked the one next to it, which is an absolute pain. That's probably the hardest one to replace. I haven't even got a ladder here or anything, so I don't know how I'm going to do that. I'm going to have to try and pull that glass out. Maybe stick some plastic over it or something for now, until I can bring the ladder or something. I don't even know how I'm going to get the plastic on there saying that. So yeah, I'll maybe stand on a bucket or something, and I don't even know where I'm going to get some more glass from, because I haven't even got any spare glass. I'll have to take one off somewhere else and then just cover it with plastic or something for the time being. And then it was just in my raspberries there, found the handle off a hammer or something, and they must have been absolutely smashing something with that, because it's completely snapped off at the top. What's probably happened is they've probably thrown it from the path, and then it's hit that window, smashed it, and then sort of fell down into the raspberries. And then in the grass there was just this pack off a box of matches, which are actually just outside on the path. There's the rest of them, and it looks like they've just lit the box on fire by the looks of it, and maybe just lashed that over the side, over the fence, just onto the allotment. So it looks like they've just been trying to start a fire. I know one of the other allotments they did say that they've been trying to light the stove in there with some paper and stuff, so I'm not actually sure. Maybe they were trying to burn the sheds down, or maybe they was just like sort of sitting in there or something. But yeah, not great. Let's go and have a look inside. And I'm just inside my main greenhouse here where I grow my tomatoes and stuff, and I did actually take the carpet out of here last week. I was doing another video on insulating the greenhouse, you know, getting it ready for winter, so I did take the carpets out, and I did start bubble wrapping the whole of the greenhouse, and it was taking absolutely ages, so I did actually put it off till this week to finish it. And yeah, it probably doesn't look like I'm going to be doing that now. Sort of the remnants of the windows all over the floor, and then all my bubble wrap that took me like ages to put up, which is even worse because it took me so long to put up, as all fell off. One, because of the rain, but it also looks like all the sort of glasses fell off and cut that through, so probably just going to take that off now, and might as well just bin it, because I can't be bothered doing it again. Actually, I'll probably just cut along that and then just leave that side bit on for what good it'll do. It's going to take me ages to clean all this glass up with so many little pieces. I mean, I'm going to cover this in wood chip anyway, just like in the other greenhouse, so it's maybe not as bad, because I don't have to try and get all this glass out of my carpet. So yeah, a bit of fortune there that I took the carpet up a couple of days ago, because that would have been an absolute nightmare trying to get all of this. I mean, you can see where the glasses fell down. It's cut massive holes in the plastic in the floor, so yeah, it's not great. And then they've smashed this window on the back. It looks like that's been hit from the outside, I think. Ow! Oh, look at that. Anyway, yeah, they've looks like they've hit that from the outside, because there's a small chip there, and then this piece of glass is leaning onto the table there. So yeah, it looks like they've hit that from outside. Gonna have to go out there and try and find all that glass out of the grass. But yeah, I mean, they've not damaged any plants or anything. I mean, that's something at least. All my sweet peas are still here, and my strawberries and stuff, and then all my chilli plants in the other greenhouse are all fine. So yeah, it just looks like they've just smashed it for something to do. So yeah, as you can see, there's just glass everywhere. Oh, there's the other end of the hammer. Yeah, that's what's happened. They've thrown the hammer. It's hit the top of the greenhouse and snapped. The handle's gone down into the raspberries. This bit has carried on going and come straight through on this side and landed on the grass. So they must have thrown it pretty hard to do that. Apart from that, they've been in here They knocked some of my pots over and stuff, threw a bit of stuff about, but they've not actually damaged any of the plants and stuff, so that's something at least. I put these in here while I was sorting out the other one and sorting out the floor and stuff and the insulation. So, oh, look at that. Jalapeno, didn't even know that was on there. Oh, yes. Oh, well. So there we go. I managed to get a piece of glass up there. I had to open the window and put it through that way. But yeah, I managed to cover the hole in the roof at least. And then where I've taken it from there, I've just had to cover it with some like blue plastic and stuff just to stop the water getting in. Just for the time being until I can sort something out. But yeah, that's that sorted, and I've picked up most of the glass. I'm gonna have to bring like a brush over or something and brush up all those little bits because they're gonna do my head in. I'm gonna get stuck in my knees and all sorts. But yeah, altogether, not too bad. Could have been worse. So that's it for today, and obviously not what I was expecting to be filming, and that looks a bit of a mess, but hopefully it's going to do the job, and at least we've got a full ceiling, so if it does rain, it's not just going to get soaked in here, and maybe it'll stop as much heat escaping and just keep it a little bit warm, because it is going to be frosty this weekend, which is why I was insulating the greenhouse, and I did buy a heater today, but I'm not going to bother putting that in, because I don't want it getting robbed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I've got loads of stuff coming up, because there's plenty to be doing over winter, getting ready for next month, which is January, and when things start getting back into gear, ready to start growing again for the spring. So plenty of videos coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.